Hi everyone, it's Cindy here for a great Easter DIY around the world. That is Cindy's World. Hit the subscribe button, relax, and watch the magic begin. DIY number 1, Easter around the world Amazing Grace sign. The supplies needed include Scrabble tiles, rectangle wooden board from Dollar Tree, oval wooden beaded board from Dollar Tree, flowers and leaves, and red acrylic and red spray paint. I am trying to use what I have instead of running to the store for my DIY supplies. I had an oval board that said kitchen is the heart of the home. That was very pretty, but that's not to what I was in today. It already had half beads on the front, so this was perfect. I painted it red using acrylic and spray paint to cover the kitchen words, but the kitchen words kept showing up. I found some Scrabble tiles from Dollar Tree and spelled out the words Amazing Grace. Amazing was spelled vertically and Grace horizontally. It is in the shape of a cross. I used wood glue to adhere it to the oval plaque. And both boards were usable. The rectangle board said Merry Christmas with a winter scene on the front, and I just turned it over and reversed the jute that was already on the board. I did not paint the other side. I liked it just as it was, and I thought it would fit just perfect. And this is very nice to hang on the door instead of a wreath. But if you have a square, say something metal, you can put this in the middle. It will look very nice. Easter Around the World is a collaboration with 17 lovely crafters, and you have to check them out. They are awesome. Therefore, be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. The link to the collaboration and the playlist is in the description box below. Easter Around the World He Lives sign. The supplies needed include a picture frame, foam board, black chalkboard acrylic paint, pink garland, just Joann Fabrics, some off-white ribbon, and a die cut machine, or you can use Cricut letters also. Chalk, and I think that's it. I cut out a piece of foam board to fit a picture frame that I had thrifted. Once I was sure that it was going to fit, I painted it with black chalkboard acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. After it was dry, I took chalk and rubbed it on the surface to season the paint. And then I took my die cutting machine and cut the letters He Lives. I removed the backing from the letters and placed them in the center of the frame so the wreath would be surrounding the words. And then I found a pink berries garland, and it was just all wrapped up, and I left it wrapped because it had flowers on it and it looked like a wreath. And I put it on the frame, but to hold it on the frame, I took a wide beige ribbon and looped it through the garland and wrapped it on the other side and hot glued it to the frame. I placed the frame on an easel and I put it on the table by the entrance to the home. And how beautiful are the words, and they are true. DIY number 3. The supplies needed include some carrots, a glass container, a tea light, and hot glue. Now this is super easy to make and the kids can get in on the fun. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But I found a glass container in my stash, and it was either like a little small hurricane or a drinking glass that I had purchased from Dollar Tree when things were $1. I hot glued the carrots around the glass container. However, if you're working with children, you can use a rubber band to hold the carrots in place and tie a ribbon around the rubber band. You can also use a ribbon to hold the carrots. In addition, it would be good to use a plastic container for children instead of glass. I put the tea light inside, turned it on, and it looks so cute. It gives such a nice glow to my space. Now these were things that I made as a kid in springtime, and it made me feel good to see what I had made. And it is more of a springtime than Easter. But this is a good time because nature is coming to life, just like God was raised from the dead. Happy Easter, and let's remember the reason for the season. Subscribe to Z9 Designs for a front row seat to all things DIY and creative. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a crafting adventure. Now remember, you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more joy you'll have. So tag me on social media with your creations using hashtag Z9Crafts, and I might feature your masterpiece in my upcoming videos. Remember also that when I reach 1,500, there's a prize that will be awarded. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the creative journey with Z9 Designs. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.